Over 60? These collagen fruits help smooth wrinkles naturally. Say goodbye to deep wrinkles and sagging skin. If you were over 60, you may have been told this is just an unavoidable part of aging. But the shocking fact is, it's not your age, it's the breakdown of your body's collagen. The good news is that you can help reactivate your body's own collagen production. This video is here to help. There are no guesses or filler in this video, only peer-reviewed research relevant to seniors just like you. We will reveal the most potent fruits that are scientifically shown to help smooth wrinkles from the inside out. Let us now begin. The problem: why your collagen is disappearing. Before we get to the fruits, it is critical to understand the problem. Collagen is the protein that acts as the scaffolding for your skin, keeping it firm and smooth. After your 20s, natural collagen production begins to decline, and this process speeds up significantly after menopause. By the time you are 60, your body's collagen factory has significantly slowed its production. This breakdown is made worse by two key factors. First, sun exposure creates free radicals that destroy collagen fibers. Second, and this is critical, excess sugar in your diet causes a process called glycation. This makes your remaining collagen stiff and brittle, leading to more noticeable wrinkles. This is why most topical creams fail. They cannot rebuild this internal framework. To see a real, lasting difference, you must provide your body with the raw materials to restart collagen production. These aren't just any tips. These fruits are backed by solid science. Number 7. The Vitamin C Classics, citrus fruits. First on our list are the fruits everyone knows are healthy, but perhaps not for this specific reason: citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are famous for their high vitamin C content. This is not just a vitamin, it is an essential requirement for your body to produce collagen. Without enough vitamin C, the entire process grinds to a halt. Think of it as the primary tool for your body's collagen factory. Vitamin C helps link amino acids together to create the strong structure that gives skin its strength. A single medium-sized orange can provide a significant portion of your daily recommended intake. This means that regular consumption gives your body the essential tools it needs to build new, strong collagen and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Number 6. The antioxidant protector, berries. Next we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are nutritional powerhouses for skin. Like citrus, they are packed with the vitamin C needed for collagen synthesis. But they also have a secret weapon: powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give berries their deep red and purple colors. Studies show these antioxidants provide two key benefits. First, they help protect the skin from UV damage, a primary cause of collagen breakdown. Second, and this is critical, they help fight the damage caused by glycation. The polyphenols in berries can help prevent collagen fibers from becoming stiff and brittle from excess sugar. This means every handful of berries helps build new collagen while protecting the collagen you already have. Number 5. The clinically studied wrinkle fighter, mango. Moving to a tropical fruit, we have mango. This fruit is more than a sweet treat. It is a clinically studied wrinkle reducer. Mangoes contain a potent combination of vitamin C and carotenoids, which are antioxidants your body converts into vitamin A for skin repair. What makes mango so powerful is a specific study from the University of California, Davis. In a randomized clinical trial, researchers found that postmenopausal women who consumed half a cup of Atalfo mangoes 4 times a week saw a significant decrease in deep wrinkles. After just 4 months, they experienced a 20% reduction. The researchers believe this is due to the unique combination of nutrients in mangoes that helps to build collagen. However, the study also found that women who ate 1.5 cups saw an increase in wrinkles, likely due to the high sugar content. This highlights a crucial point: moderation is key.
Number 4. The concentrated powerhouse,
Kiwi. Our next fruit is the small but mighty kiwi. Gram for gram, kiwi contains more vitamin C than an orange, making it one of the most concentrated natural sources available. Its high vitamin C content provides robust support for collagen synthesis, helping to keep skin firm and repair damaged skin cells. Supporting your skin's structure with new collagen is fundamental to reducing the appearance of fine lines. The antioxidants in kiwi also help neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from the oxidative stress that accelerates aging. Including kiwi in your diet is a simple and effective way to ensure your body has an abundant supply of the vitamin C it needs for a smoother complexion. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We have more natural solutions just like this. Number 3. The Master Protector, pomegranate. Now for a fruit that is celebrated for its exceptional antioxidant content, pomegranate. Pomegranates contain a unique and powerful antioxidant called collagen. This compound is incredibly effective at neutralizing free radical damage from UV radiation, one of the main reasons collagen breaks down. But the benefits do not stop at protection. Studies suggest that pomegranate also helps stimulate the skin cells responsible for producing collagen, known as fibroblasts. This means that it not only shields your existing collagen, but also encourages the creation of new collagen. By both protecting and producing, pomegranate offers a complete approach to maintaining a youthful skin structure. Number 2. The unsung champion, guava. The shocking fact is that while oranges get all the attention, guava is the true champion of vitamin C. A single guava can contain up to 4 times more vitamin C than a similarly sized orange, making it one of the richest sources you can eat. This extremely high concentration provides a massive boost to collagen synthesis, which is vital for firming skin and smoothing wrinkles. The abundance of antioxidants in guava, including lycopene, also form a protective shield against cellular damage. Including this tropical fruit in your diet delivers a potent dose of the key nutrients needed to both build new collagen and protect the collagen you have. Number 1. The unique contributor, avocado. While many think of it as a vegetable, the avocado is a fruit, and it offers a unique benefit the others do not: healthy fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for keeping skin hydrated and supple from the inside. More importantly, avocados provide key nutrients for skin structure. A study from UCLA found that eating 1 avocado per day significantly improved skin firmness and elasticity in women. Avocados also contain vitamin C, vitamin E, and the mineral copper, which plays a critical role in giving collagen its stable and strong structure. By providing healthy fats and essential minerals, avocados nourish the skin on multiple levels, making them an exceptional fruit for a smoother complexion. We have now shown you the remarkable power that lies in your kitchen. The secret to smoother skin after 60 is not about covering up the problem, but about rebuilding your skin's foundation from the inside. To recap, we have the vitamin C champions, citrus fruits and berries. We have the tropical treasures, mango and kiwi, clinically shown to reduce wrinkles. We have the antioxidant guardians, pomegranate and guava, that protect and produce collagen. And we have the unique contributor, avocado, which nourishes skin with healthy fats and minerals. By providing healthy fats and essential minerals, avocados nourish the skin on multiple levels, making them an exceptional fruit for a smoother complexion. If you found this information helpful, please share it with someone who could benefit. We would also love to hear from you. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Tell us, which of these fruits are you most excited to add to your diet? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.